Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Tech Hire Buddy. आज का वीडियो स्पेशली उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से है, क्योंकि एक अमेजिंग ऑफ कैंपस अपॉर्चुनिटी आई है डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम L&T टेक्नोलॉजी सर्विसेज फॉर द FY26 बैच. सो इफ you're फ्रॉम बायोमेडिकल या आपके फ्रेंड्स अस ब्रांच से है, मेक श्योर टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड बिकॉज मेन आपको पूरी डिटेल्स एक्सप्लेन करने वाली हूँ. एलिजिबिलिटी, ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस, सैलरी, बॉन्ड, लोकेशंस, सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, everything. All right, let's start with a quick intro about the company. L&T Technology Services, yani LTTS, is part of the Big Larsen and Toubro Group, one of India's largest engineering and technology giants. They work on cutting-edge projects in medical technology, automation, embedded systems, design engineering, R&D, and many more. So basically, if you join here, you're entering a company that builds technology for the future, not just in India but globally. Job role overview. Now let's come to the job role. You'll be joining as an associate engineer trainee under the engineering category 1 position. It's a full-time job offer, and yes, this is not an internship, it's a career starting opportunity with training plus job assurance. The CTC, that's your package, is 4,100,000 rupee per annum. And you'll be working on real-time projects, mostly in the biomedical and medical technology domains. So basically, it's a great entry-level job with one of India's most reputed companies. ट्रेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर डिटेल्स. अब बात करते हैं ट्रेनिंग के स्ट्रक्चर की. दिस रोल इंक्लूड्स अ 15-month structured training program divided into 2 phases. Phase 1. Classroom training. For the first 3 months, you'll go through classroom sessions where you learn the technical skills, tools, and industry practices required for the job. During this period, you'll receive a stipend of 25,000 rupee per month. Phase 2. On-job training. Once you successfully complete classroom training, you'll move into on-the-job training for the next 12 months as an associate engineer. यहाँ पर आप real projects पर काम करोगे, under mentors and senior engineers. So this setup is perfect for freshers, क्योंकि आपको एक स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन मिलता है फ्रॉम लर्निंग टू वर्किंग. जॉब लोकेशन. नाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल आस्क, वेयर विल वी बी पोस्टेड? सो जॉब लोकेशंस कैन बी एनीवेयर अक्रॉस इंडिया. L&T has offices in Mysore, Vadodara, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, and Delhi. Final posting depends on business requirements and management discussion. तो बेसिकली आपको ऑल इंडिया फ्लेक्सिबल रहना पड़ेगा. बट द गुड पार्ट इज wherever you're placed, training quality and support remain the same. Salary and bond details. Now let's talk about money and the bond. The total CTC is 4,100,000 rupee per annum, which includes all benefits. During the first 3 months of training, आपको 25,000 rupees per month stipend मिलेगा. But yes, there is a bond. You'll have to sign an undertaking of 2 lakhs rupees for a period of 2 years and 9 months. Now some students get scared when they hear bond. But honestly, this is pretty standard in companies that invest heavily in training freshers. It just ensures that you stay for at least 2 to 3 years after they've trained you. Eligibility criteria. Now let's check if you're eligible. You must have completed 10th, 12th, and graduation, biomedical engineering, as a full-time program. Minimum 60% or 6.75 CGPA in all, 10th, 12th, and graduation. No backlogs at the time of application. And you must pass your final year exams in the first attempt. Minimum age should be 18 years at the time of joining. Simple and clear. अगर आपने अपनी स्टडीज सिंसियरली कंप्लीट की है, you're eligible. Required skills. अब बात करते हैं स्किल्स की. Since this role is for biomedical engineering, they'll expect you to know basic biomedical engineering principles like medical devices, sensors, bioinstrumentation, and healthcare technology. Medical technology fundamentals, equipment, maintenance, testing, and calibration. General engineering concepts. Circuit design, electronics, software basics. You don't need to be an expert, but you should understand the fundamentals and be open to learning new tools during training. Selection process. Most important part is selection process. It's a two-step process. Step 1. Technical interview. Here they'll ask you about your biomedical concepts, basic electronics, maybe some analytical or logical questions, and a few scenario-based problems. For example, they may ask, how does a biomedical sensor work? Explain the working principle of ECG or MRI. Or, how would you troubleshoot a medical device failure? Step 2. HR interview. Once you clear the technical round, you'll have a conversation with HR about your background, strengths, willingness to relocate, and general fit for the company. So make sure you prepare your self-introduction, your project explanation, and be confident about your academic basics. Why you should apply? So here's the thing, biomedical engineering jobs in India are not as common as IT roles, right? But when a reputed company like L&T Technology Services specifically opens a drive for biomedical branch, that's a big deal. You'll get corporate-level training, hands-on experience, a stable, long-term job, and a strong brand name on your resume. Trust me, this kind of opportunity gives you a massive career boost. Tips before you apply. Here are some quick tips before applying. Update your resume. Keep it simple, highlight your projects, internships, and any medical tech tools or software you've worked with. Brush up on core biomedical subjects like instrumentation, medical imaging, sensors, and basic anatomy-related devices. Prepare for communication questions because HR rounds also check your clarity and confidence. And most importantly, stay positive and be ready to learn. Alright guys. That's everything you need to know about the L&T Technology Services FY26 off-campus drive for biomedical engineers. I really hope this video helped you understand the complete process. If you're from biomedical, I would 100% recommend applying. Because companies like L&T not only train you but also give you exposure to real-world healthcare and engineering tech. So don't miss out on this one. Comment below if you're applying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more off-campus updates and career guidance videos. All the best for your interview. Go get that job, future engineers.